Polarized Express, view from inside the train. Polarized filters, like sunglasses or video screens. Origami folded squares of clear cellophane. Translucent sheets of paper. All this used to make this display. Here's a train hauling an iPhone while taking a movie and while traveling under a bridge with all those elements added on top. This is the view as seen from inside the tunnel. The colors of the display change as the filter is rotated. Imagine you are traveling on a train that is approaching a tunnel. You are told to put on polarized sunglasses and tilt your head back and forth as you view the display inside the tunnel. The display changes colors as you move. The display is a unique, interactive experience.